Hello everybody, I'm Bob. Shout out to the subscribers and welcome to the new guys. Today's question is, how stupid can it get? Stupid, dysfunctional, whatever. Previously, my weirdest one was when I went to renew my Georgia driver's license and they told me I didn't exist. But that only took a day to work out. I think you'll agree this situation I'm in now is kind of going for the record. I'll tell you all about it. As I mentioned, I'm asking the question today, how dysfunctional can a simple thing get? I don't know, but here's my story. On New Year's Eve, an ATM in Thailand ate my debit card. I know the owner of the convenience store where it happened, so I went to the owner and told her about it. She said I should wait until the bank opened after the holiday and see if they had it or had shredded it. I have an account at the bank, and the debit card in question was on a U.S. bank in Ohio. The Thai bank said they would check on it and call me. My card had been in fact shredded, and I had lost a week already. So on January 7th, I contacted the United States Bank and requested a replacement card. I know the bank accountant for years, and she replied they would have a card made and send it to me. In hindsight, I should have requested FedEx services, but I mistakenly thought that a customer that was in Thailand would be far enough outside of the U.S. to get express service. The bank sent the card snail mail, but that might be my bad. After 2 weeks, that's the time it normally takes the mail to get to me in Thailand from the U.S., I told the bank that the card hadn't made it to me. The bank advised me the card was sent and verified my address. I patiently waited another 2 weeks and contacted the bank, telling them to cut a new card and FedEx it to me, ASAP. The new card made it to Bangkok Friday, February 7th, but delivery was delayed by a Buddhist holiday weekend, so I got the card on the 10th of February. Next, the bank had some problem activating the card and asked me for the CVC code on the back of the card. I sent it, but since bank time is 12 hours behind my time zone, I was losing a day on each exchange of information. On the 12th, the bank contacted me again and asked for the last 4 digits of my new card number. They say their bank computer system won't allow them to input the last 4 digits on my card into their system, and the bank is contacting the bank card maker for instructions. Now, part of this might be the result of them having not canceled the card that was lost in the mail, thinking if it got here first, I would be able to activate it. That could be the problem. I'm not saying it is. So, on the 12th, the bank contacts me again and asks for the last 4 digits of my new card number. They say their bank computer system won't allow them to input the last 4 digits, and the bank is contacting the bank card maker for instructions. Now, I'm not starving or unable to pay my bills because I do have a bank account at the Bangkok bank. The rub is that I have to maintain a $25,000 balance to keep my Thai visa in force, and in the 7 weeks this has dragged on, I have fallen below the required balance, and my retirement visa is in jeopardy. There's one more stupid thing. Before Thanksgiving of 2019, I asked Social Security in Manila, Philippines, that's who services my card, to start sending my Social Security money to my bank here in Thailand. Thus far, in 90 days, Social Security has failed to get it done. So besides venting in this video, I wanted to let my subscribers know why I've been so slow posting videos this month. I usually try to go outside of Chiang Mai, and with the coronavirus active in Thailand, I am avoiding going to places where there are crowds, which is most places since Thailand is a very big tourist destination. Bangkok gets more tourists than any other place on earth every year, and Chiang Mai gets over 10 million, so that's more than a drop in the bucket. So I'm avoiding places where there are crowds, and of course I'm trying not to spend any more money on my motorcycle fuel than I have to while this is still sort of up in the air. So thanks for letting me cry on your shoulder.
I'm not dead yet.